Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And some Windows 10 users have noticed something that looks like a mix of Windows 10 and 11 together. Um, some users have gone to their About page, which is in Windows 10, gives you the basic information about, your PC and all, and noticed that the top part looks like Windows 10, 11 and mixed in with a page that is Windows 10-ish. And in fact, what people are just complaining about is the fact that it looks like a quickly made up page that was just shoved there and doesn't really fit with what Windows 10 look and feel is all about. So this is an example that was shown. It comes from a Reddit user, and he was a little baffled, saying, "Wow, this is kind of weird the way that they've put this together. It really looks like, they just copy and pasted something in there, and that's it." And indeed, has a part feel of Windows 11 and part feel of Windows 10. So lots of users are just asking, "Why are you doing this? It was fine before, and you didn't have to change anything." And when you actually think of the fact that Windows 10 is not supported anymore, why did Microsoft go to this extent and, change the About page of Windows 10? It's kind of a nonsense. Why are you working on changing things in Windows 10 when it just is, going to expire at some point, and it's, on end of life, right? Basically. So this is kind of weird, and it does look bizarre. Some people are complaining that this isn't nice and shouldn't be like that. Others are, I wouldn't complain about that, but it definitely is strange that Microsoft has decided suddenly that on Windows 10 the About page needed to be modernized, I guess we can say. It's very, very bizarre. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.